For group/packaged investigations that are sent to the labs, the results can be entered via Enter Results in Reports page, without going through the patient page. Let's see an example of a group/packaged investigation in the patient page. Under Investigations, the group/packaged investigation will be ordered by the doctor here. This package may consist of multiple investigations components, e.g. FBC, LFT. To add group/packaged investigations that can be selected by the doctor here, refer Add/Remove Group 9. Before results can be saved, we need to specify the components of the group/packaged investigations. To do this, go to the Reports page. Scroll down and click 9 Package Design. All the group/packaged investigations will be listed here. Select the investigation to specify the components. In this example, we select the group investigation A001. Upon selection, these details will be filled in automatically. These are the individual investigations that can be selected as the components of the group investigation. In the patient page, individual investigations are listed here. In this example, let's select FBC, RP and LFT as the components for the group investigation A001. Here other investigations that are not available as individual investigations can be added. For example, let's add ESR and click Add. ESR is now added, but not saved yet. To add more investigations as others, repeat the same as the ESR. If necessary, click Del to remove the investigation as the component of this group investigation. Make sure the correct individual investigations are ticked. Click Save to save these as components of the group investigation A001. If we select A001 again from this list after saving, the components that we just saved will be listed. Now we can start entering the results as received from the labs. Go to the Reports page. Scroll down and click Enter Results. The patient can be searched by either name or ID. In this example, we search and select by ID. The patient details along with the name of the group investigation will be listed. This is the group investigation saved for this patient. Results can only be entered here after 1. Components of the group investigation are saved too, if the group investigation is saved for this patient in the patient page by the doctor. Click on this group investigation to list the components. These are the individual investigations saved as the components for the group investigation A001, FBC, RP and LFT. These are the other investigations saved as the components for the group investigation A001. For any components that are not saved as components, the results can still be entered here under Add-on Others. Now let's enter the results as received from the lab. Here specify the date these results were received from the lab. In this example, we enter HB as 12.2. The ESR is 23. And HepX as the other component. Click Save to save these results. The results can be entered more than once. To view/enter the results, click the group investigation here. These are the previously saved results. To add/edit results, enter accordingly and click Save. In the patient page, the results that were just saved will now be available. Note the number 1 next to FBC, RP and LFT, and the number 3 next to Others. Let's select FBC to see the results. This is the result that we entered earlier. Results entered via Enter Results will be indicated by this From Laboratory button. Let's see the 3 results under Others. The three results can be viewed individually here. The ESR value saved under Enter Results. The HepX value saved under Enter Results. That's it, you're done.